Hey guys, it's Matt, welcome to SpeedTutor and welcome to the best free assets for February and March 2026. And in this selection today, there's 154 total assets. I've got all the links down below to every single individual one in this video and the full list that you can find. I've curated a selection from this month and we'll go through the best ones that you can find. If you like the free asset videos, be sure to leave a comment, throw a like on the video, and make sure you subscribed because it helps me out massively. And do be sure to check out my Patreon too to get over 240 different scripts, assets and projects you cannot find anywhere else. So first of all, we've got the full screen editor play mode free. So it's a full screen game mode which allows you to, when you press play, gets rid of the Unity editor so you can create stuff in a better way to be able to create better recordings or be able to see things without Unity's interface there. The next one is something called Interactive Pixel Water, available for built-in URP. So this allows you to have interactive objects and 6 different presets across default, clear, murky, acid, poisonous and lava, the splash and bubble visual effects, and you can have physics interactions. The next one is the Advanced First-Person Movement System. So it's an FPS style camera, which is a great way to extend. It's got physics-based interactions, custom gravity, the newer input system, and it's got some cool tilts, FOV shifts, sliding, and really nice features. We've got the Hardline shader, which is an expressive comic style shader for URP to create stylized games. So it allows this to be used across different characters, foliage, grass, anything like that, and lets you adjust settings for screen space color, the different use for skyboxes. The next one is Scene Nav, which is a smooth and fast navigation system. So it allows you to extend the editor so you can navigate to points in your scene really quickly from a desired target location. We've got the post-apocalyptic playground environment with different swings, roundabouts, and other specific props. We've got one called Fast Play. So this is a tool for entering play mode more easily, and it's got a toolbar button which can help you skip domain reload or things like that without actually changing project settings permanently. The next one is called Fish Alive, which has got a bunch of free samples. So this has got animated fish with different behaviors, 7 different animation states, and fairly low poly. We've got the off-screen compass, tape target, and indicators. So this allows you to track world space objects using UI, just like you could in Call of Duty games or different quest point markers that you'd find on a floating health bar. We've got one called the Bottle Fill Shader Graph. So it's a shader which allows you to have a 2D style fill with different colors. So whether you want to make potions, mana bars, progress indicators, maybe even if you want that on your UI to create a health system. We've got the full basic grenade system with explosions and sound effects. So this is something which can be used in third person or first person to show throwing, pickups, explosions, damage to be able to knock other objects, and I actually do have a full tutorial which will show you how to create something just like this if you want to learn to. We have the Quick Racing Circuits Material and Shader. So this is a PBR shader which allows you to create roads or circuit surfaces including road colorization, different curbs, and lane markings. We've got one here called Sensor, which is screen space refraction and quantization, which allows you to create a per pixel style blur shader over so you can censor different things over the screen, whether you need that across desktop, mobile, or web GPU. We've got a nice one called the Rocks Pack Free Demo, which is a selection of low poly style themed rocks with 3 different unique prefabs and LODs for each. We've got the Fantasy Effects pack with 23 different fantasy effects, suitable for an RPG or anything like that, optimized and ready to use. We've got 3 different packs with a bunch of cars, and these come with different race cars themed in popular styles with lots of colours, but I'm just showing off the Sports Car Free 3, with various off-road sports cars suitable for mobile with 17 different texture variants. Next one is one by Unity, which is their training factory, which is actually built for URP, and it's actually a really nice demo to showcase lighting, setup. It's got a bunch of props in there. Got the 2D mobile game kit, which is a selection of production-ready interfaces. You've got sprites, fonts, ready for buttons, different illustrations, and other things that would go in the game. We've got the Per Object Shadow. This allows you to generate a separate shadow map for up to 16 groups of objects, enabling high precision shadows. Let's say you have yourself a character and you want it to be the most prominent. If the other shadows, they might look blurry, but this one will make your character shadow be the most prominent feature. Next one is something called Stylized Rocks and Cactus. Another nice stylized one with a bunch of rocks and cactus in the scene. We've got one called Faux Enemy, which has a clean rig with clean animations like attack, run and idle in this cool style. Now we've got another which is called the Stylized Sci-Fi Mech Robot Asset, and it's got about 26,000 triangles, fully rigged with idles, landing, walks. Then we've got a nice one called the Low Poly Character Pack, which has 27 different unique appearances for really low poly characters. What more can we say? Then the last one in this package is the Stylized Characters Pack from Unity. So this has got a bunch of animal characters with walk, run, jump and idle animations, a rabbit witch, a sloth wizard, a bat vampire, and lots of different interesting stylized characters in here. So be sure to check out all the links below, and I'll give you everything that you need to know to get hold of these 154, and let me know down below which ones you get hold of. Do check out all the links down below to Unity's sales and everything that you can find at this very moment. Do come and check out my Patreon too to get over 240 different scripts, assets and projects you cannot find anywhere else. Big thank you to SpeedTutor and Party of 10 for their amazing support, and to everybody else who comes to watch, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Cheers.